Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. So today, I'll be talking about the best budgeting app. So if you are thinking of keeping track of your income, your expenses, so if you want to track any of your financial needs, then this particular video is for you. Yeah. So first of all, whether you are on iOS or Android, kindly go to the Play Store or App Store. Okay. Go to Play Store or App Store. So this Android and search for wallet. Okay, so search for wallet. Yeah, so you realize there are a lot of wallets in here, but select the one called Wallet, Budget, and Money Manager. Yeah, so select this one, and the app is made by BudgetBakers. Yeah, so this is one of the best budgeting app that you can have to manage your finances. Yeah, instead of you using pen and writing on notebooks, try this app because this is the best. So let's dive straight into the app and let's see how everything is. Yeah, so this is the app. Yeah. So you open the app, create an account. So you'll be having, a dashboard like this. Yeah. So in here you realize list of accounts. You can tap on add account. Then you add any account that you want. You can add investments account. Yeah. So if you have an investment or you have a stocks, any type of crypto EFTs that you want to keep track automatically, then you can add it in this app without you, keeping track of it manually. Yeah, so you can just add it here. If you want to collect the wallet to your bank account so that you don't have to input in any kind of transaction that you do, then you tap on the bank sync, then you add your bank details. But I advise you to not to use that option because doing that meaning a third party will get access to your bank account login. So the app will automatically log in into your account and retrieve any details that they want, that's transaction and any kind of details necessary. You can also type on manual input, and the manual input, you name the account, the balance, and anything, the currency and anything. Yeah. So that's it. And when it comes to budget and goals, you can tap on the budget and goals section. So if you have a budget, if you want to stay within a particular spending habit, if you want to stay within maybe a particular budget, maybe this month you don't want to spend more than maybe $100 or whatever, then you can use the create budget option. If you want to set a goal, maybe you want to buy a television, then the create goal is for you. Yeah. And if you tap on the menu button, you write the menu button in here, and you come to you select the statistics. So you select the statistics. If you also have depths, you can add the depths in here. Statistics. Yeah. So these are the statistics that you can have access to. And their dashboard is very, very simple. Okay, dashboard is very, very simple. You can just tap on let's say the balance, and the app will provide you with details of everything that you've been doing. Yeah. So they provide you with the details, that's your cash flow, that's your income versus expenses. Are you getting it? Or do you have a positive or negative cash flow? If you want to know whether you have a positive or negative cash flow, then this app is good for you. The spending will also let you know how much you are spending within a particular time frame. That's a week, a month, 12 weeks, 6 months, and a year. You can select the particular time frame that you want. And credit. So the credit will also show, the loans, the debts that you currently have. Yeah. So these are all the statistics that you can get on the app. It's very, very, simple to use and very relevant. And I know you also go in there and download this app so that you can manage your finances easily. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video a like. Yeah. So see you in the next video.